Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey towards earning money simply by watching YouTube videos online? Well, get ready because I've got a game-changing strategy that can put an impressive $2.48 in your pocket every single minute. And here's the best part, this method works globally. Whether you're in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, India, the Philippines, or any other country on this beautiful planet. But hold on tight because I've got something special for you towards the end of this video. Stick around, and I'll reveal a bonus trick that could potentially help you rake in a whopping $600 a day in pure passive income using a cutting-edge website. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Now, let's dive right into this step-by-step guide. Step 1. Earn money by watching YouTube videos online. Picture this. You're about to embark on an extraordinary journey, visiting an incredible website that literally rewards you for doing what you love, watching YouTube videos online. And don't worry, I'll reveal the name of this fantastic platform in just a moment. But before we dive into the details, I've got a small request for you that can make a big difference. If you find this video helpful and engaging, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with all our latest money-making tips and tricks. Now, let's uncover how this remarkable system works. On this platform, you'll be able to watch a wide variety of content, including commercial ads, YouTube videos, movies, and TV shows, all while making money. What's more, you can supercharge your earnings by referring others. You'll pocket an extra $1 for every person who joins using your unique link. Once you reach the minimum payout threshold, you can seamlessly transfer your hard-earned cash to your bank account, PayPal, or any other available withdrawal option. But here's the kicker. Over 500 top-notch brands have teamed up with this website to provide you with a continuous stream of fresh videos. You can dig deeper into the website's mission and partnerships by clicking on the About Us option tucked away in the top right corner. Once you're ready to take the plunge, it's as simple as clicking that inviting sign-up button. As you fill in your details, you're essentially setting the stage for a financial adventure. Think of it as your golden ticket to a world of earnings that can grow faster than you might imagine. And here's the icing on the cake. Right after you've completed the sign-up process and conquered the CAPTCHA challenge, which is just a quick security measure to ensure you're a real person, you'll be welcomed with a fantastic $5 sign-up bonus. That's right, $5 straight into your account just for joining the community. Step 2. Watch videos and multiply your earnings. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll discover a treasure trove of 5 videos waiting for you. Start with the first one, and you'll instantly earn a cool 61 cents. Click play, breeze past the initial ad, and then watch the video for just 34 seconds. Keep a close eye on the countdown timer, and when it hits 0, simply click complete under the video. Watch the cents add up. Once you've completed the process for the first video and earned yourself a cool 61 cents, it's time to replicate that success for videos 2, 3, 4, and 5. Each of these videos offers another opportunity to add to your account balance. As you work your way through all 5 videos, your earnings will experience a significant boost, transforming those cents into dollars. Now, there's an essential point to keep in mind. You can watch up to 5 videos in a 24-hour period. While this may seem like a limitation, fear not, I've got a clever trick that will keep those earnings flowing like a steady stream. Step 3. Create multiple accounts for maximum earning. To keep that sweet 2.48 cents flowing in every minute, consider creating multiple accounts on this website. Imagine having 10 accounts. That's a whopping $24.80 in just a few minutes. Worried about not having enough email addresses? Don't be. I've got a bonus tip for you. Creating multiple accounts can significantly boost your earnings. But what if you don't have numerous email addresses at your disposal? That's where this clever workaround comes into play. When setting up new accounts, here's what you can do. Use the same email address as your original account, but introduce slight variations, such as adding a dot anywhere in the email. It's important to note that Google's email system, Gmail, considers email addresses with dots or periods in different locations as identical. Step 4. Unlock passive income with referrals. Once you're inside your account, navigate to the My Account section and you'll spot a section labeled Referrals. This is where the magic happens. When you click on Referrals, you'll unveil an exciting opportunity. For every person who signs up on this platform using your unique referral link, you'll pocket a cool $1. Yes, You heard that right. It's like earning money effortlessly just by spreading the word about this incredible website. Now, here's the exciting part. The name of this website is none other than withdraw.com. So not only can you start earning yourself, but you can also help others discover this fantastic opportunity by sharing your referral link. It's a win-win situation. You earn, your friends earn, and everyone benefits from this incredible platform. Step 5. The secret bonus trick for massive earning. Now, for the special trick, you can amass an army of thousands of people signing up through your referral link with a clever Facebook strategy. The first step is to head over to Facebook and utilize the search function. Type in "Make Money Online" and hit enter. You'll see a list of results, but focus on the Groups tab. These are typically communities of individuals interested in online money-making opportunities. Next, browse through the search results and select several public groups that seem active and relevant to your interests. Public groups are open for anyone to join without needing an invitation or approval. Click on the group's name, and you'll be directed to its page. When you're comfortable and familiar with the group, it's time to craft your post. Share your personal success story briefly. Talk about how you've been earning money by watching videos online and the benefits you've experienced. Extend an invitation for others to join you on this journey. You can say something like, "I've discovered an incredible platform that's helped me earn extra income effortlessly. If you're interested in making money online, let's do it together." Mention the platform's name. In this case, withdraw.com. Make sure you've researched it and are confident in its legitimacy. Add a sense of urgency or excitement, like "Don't miss out on this opportunity," or "Let's change our financial futures together." To make your post more convincing, search online for images that showcase payment proofs from your chosen platform. Just look up Wintub proof of payment on Google Images and snatch a photo and save it to your computer. Make sure these images are authentic and accurately represent the earnings potential. Attach one or more of these images to your post. As people start to comment or show interest in your post, engage with them promptly and answer any questions they may have. Be honest and transparent about your experience. Once you've established trust and garnered interest, share your referral link to withdraw.com with those who are genuinely interested. Remind them that they can also earn by referring others. Remember to always follow the rules and guidelines of the Facebook groups you join and ensure your posts are relevant and respectful. Building a positive reputation within these groups can help you succeed in this strategy and maximize your earnings. With this ingenious method, you could effortlessly make over $600 a day by getting people to sign up using your referral link. When you've earned enough on platforms like withdraw.com, you can withdraw your money once you hit the minimum threshold. These platforms typically offer a range of withdrawal options, allowing you to choose the method that suits you best. Common choices include PayPal, Western Union, WebMoney, and Payoneer. And there you have it. That's a wrap for today's mind-blowing strategy to boost your income. If you found this video valuable, do us a solid and hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. This way, you'll always stay in the loop with our latest money-making tips and tricks. Until next time, happy earning, and let's make that money roll in.